Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Karrill DaDiva, and I have another one for you. I'm gonna be doing some miracle knots today, and I already have my hair pre-parted as usual. So all I have to do is add the hair in, and usually that does not take too long. Now guys, the hair that I will be using today is from EayonHair. As you can see, I'm holding the bag, and inside the bag with the hair I got this little packet with clips, crochet needle, and edge brush, and also a tail comb in it. This is the hair, you guys. Yes, your girl going blonde today, and they sent me 5 packs of this hair, so I'll tell you at the end how many I used. I absolutely love the color. Do you see that beautiful streak going through it? And the root of the hair is black, which is another thing that I absolutely love. This is what the hair look like. It's like a little piece of string in between two pieces of hair, and that's where I'm gonna be hooking the hair onto my hair. For the very first piece of hair, just in case you haven't seen any of my video before, I usually just braid it onto the end of my hair, and I always leave pieces of my hair unbraided just to add that piece of hair onto it. So this is what it looks like after I braid the first piece in on the end, and as you can see from my reaction, I was very pleased with it. Now guys, to add the second and the third piece, you want to grab your crochet needle, because that's what we're going to use to hook the remaining 2 pieces of hair in. Now we're going to go ahead and add one piece right in the middle, right here where you see me holding. To add it in, I'm going to push the crochet needle right through my hair, and then I'm going to add the human hair onto the crochet needle and then pull it through. We also not going to pull it all the way through, of course, just enough where I can add the rest of the hair in from the other side and just make a loop. Now for the last piece, I'm going to be doing the same thing, only I'm going to be adding this one into the root of my hair. So I push the crochet needle through the root of my hair, add the hair onto it, pull it through and make a loop, and that's it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do another one on this side just in case you did not see exactly what I was doing. First thing I do is braid the human hair on the end of my natural hair, and I, like I said before, leave some of my hair on plait just so I could do this, and this will securely hold the human hair into my natural hair. And like I showed you guys before, this hair has a little bit of black on the root of it, so it blends in so well with my natural hair. Next, I'm going to put my crochet needle right through the middle part of my hair that's already braided, and then I'm going to add another piece of the human hair onto it. And as you can see, I put it in there, clip the hook on the crochet hair, and then pull it through and then loop it, and that's how I put the second piece in. Now for the third piece, I'm going to push that crochet needle right in the root of my hair, because when I do this hairstyle, I like to have one in the root. And then I'm going to put the hair onto the crochet needle and pull it through, and then I'm going to loop it again. And yeah, this is how I do it. That's simple. Now we're up to the second row, but I'm not gonna hold you guys. Just like I want to get to the end to see the finished look, I'm sure you guys want to see what it looks like when I'm all done. So I'm gonna speed through the video just so we could get to the end much faster. As usual, if there's anything that I missed, you know, any questions you have, go ahead and leave them down below. I'm always here to answer them.
Can you put the time on a rewind? Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? If the war was dead, would you cry or would you try again? Tell me now, why you so glad? Tell me now, I think you so glad. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Time on a rewind. Help me understand, can you tell me Why you made a war that was fighting now? When you fall and you rock, when you see my big guns, run around, run away as the rebel comes out. Then you call on me when you call me I come. Then you go again. Just like that, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hopeless? Now that you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying in the morning. Running away to the land of the story. Running away from the suffering of mother. Running away from the darkness of love, yeah, yeah. I got nothing. Going way beyond the noise and the feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes, I get it. Fly now from the sky, now from my head. Fall down at the ceiling, you know that I stand for you.
I'm all done adding in the pieces, you guys, and now I'm gonna go ahead and fix my edges up. So I'm gonna put the hair back into a ponytail just to get it out the way. But y'all, look at how gorgeous this look, just, you know, with nothing added to it. This is the edge control that I'm gonna be using to fix my edges up. I already brushed them out, and I intentionally leave, you know, hair out so I could do some little baby hair in the front. This is definitely optional. Like I always say in my videos, I know a lot of people not into the whole baby hair thing. I don't do it all the time, but sometimes I'm in the mood for it, so I do it sometimes, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and fix these edges up.
Put the time on a rewind. Help me understand, can you tell me now? Why you made a war that was fighting now? If the war was dead, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, I want you to regret it. Tell me now, I need you to regret it. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. And I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you.
Now I'm just gonna tie it down with my scarf and let it stay like that while I go do my makeup. I gave myself a little bow in the front with the scarf and I thought it was cute. But anyway, guys, we are back with a finished look and this is what it looks like. I really like the color and I'm so happy I went with it. I love the two-tone of blonde that's going on here. It looks so good and the curls also are popping. I didn't really do much to it. I think I rubbed some cream onto it just to, you know, give the curl a little bit of moisture, but besides that I really didn't do much to it. I loved it so much I had to try a few styles with it, and so I put it in a ponytail first thing, and I thought that looks really cute too, but my daughter wanted me to do something different. She wanted me to do two pigtail in the front and have the back down, so of course I tried that and that was absolutely my very favorite style. It was playful, it was cute, it was fun. I was absolutely loving it. Again, you guys, the hair is from EayonHair. I'm going to be linking it down below in the description box so you guys could easily find it if you're interested. I had so much fun making this video, and I hope you guys enjoy watching me create this hairstyle just as much. And before I forget, I used 4 of the 5 packs they sent me to create this hairstyle. If this is your first time on my channel, I do appreciate you coming by, watching my video, and I hope you will stay around, hit the subscription button and also the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!